So, like I mentioned earlier, I want you counting the exits because I want you to know what exit you're taking. So, as you're going around, you can count and make sure you're coming off at the correct time. But I don't want you looking at the sign and the exits to determine whether you need to be in the left or the right-hand lane. I want you looking at the other signs for that. So I'm going to ask you to follow the road signs to the M271. M271 is the motorway. They're usually highlighted in what colour? Blue. So that's what you're looking for, really. You're going to tell me what lane you can get into. You must be really
lane.
Squinting.
Yeah, the right lane's got some feel in it, but I think the left lane might as well.
Oh, should we get a little
closer and decide?
I don't have my binoculars with me.
Oh, stay in left. Cool.
Well done. Very good. I'm very impressed. Well done. Good choice as well, I might just add. Left-hand lane is so much easier getting around this roundabout. Really good, well done. See, the issue is with being like first in the line as well. Left-hand lane, you look at that, you think that's the left-hand lane where that black car's just
and
gone.
you want to curve round on yourself.
Yeah, you want to make sure you don't just go on and off the roundabout.
It is quite nice having the traffic lights because it takes some of the stress out, doesn't it?
Of deciding whether you can go. Yeah, the problem with this is that sometimes you're stuck here for hours trying to get onto the roundabout. It's very quiet here today actually. It's usually chock-a-block with lots of lorries.
Yeah.
Well, so far so good, Hannah. Oh, we've got a green light. A lot of traffic. Oh dear. Okay. What we could maybe do is sneak behind the Octopus Energy van. That's it, keep moving forwards. Otherwise we're the ones that are going to get a red light and be end up kind of like in the middle of the roundabout. Well done.